With wind-tearing speed and deadly precision, this bird ended the rabbit's life before it even realized it was in danger. Meet the peregrine falcon, nature's feathered fighter jet. Clocking in at a mind-blowing 242 miles per hour during its high-speed dive, it strikes with pinpoint accuracy and zero mercy. Once you're locked in as prey, you won't even have time to write a will. A crow? Flattened. No chance to fight back. That duck? 1 second it was chilling. The next, boom, it was crossing over to the afterlife. Even a massive pelican, 10 times its size, is just a plus-sized snack. Foxes? Not safe. One clumsy move and you're next on the menu. And here's the wildest part. Even the so-called kings of the sky, the eagles, show respect when the peregrine is around. With absurd speed and ruthless efficiency, the real question isn't what it can hunt, but what, if anything, can hunt.